what's behind the secrets of the recipes of the Vegeta eating a fajita. Not necessarily anything at all, really. That might have been just okay. Coolest to do is that Brooke Shields. Who's Barb? What's the tender looking? How about these chicken tools? Oh, chicks. Exogamma crazy. And we've asked Star, she's not dead, but Brooke Shields probably could have used a shout out today. Maybe a safety net or a monterey cool hand stool plan to give her a hand getting in and out of her stool. She helped me through battle to rude dudes with smiting with bucklers as her main move. Riot shield or something, about ready to tear gas buddy me. But I don't know really else stuff out to running in and out of circle with never had to hear now and been there for that. Heartbeat and down close the murder, the beholder, the beauty, remarkable evidence, sensory orbit, eyeballs, sad news, don't be reviewers, don't get no short of had been uncalled for. So all they are there to know that to leave a number in the slow, they look for me, and sometime for a good time we might reply use the telephone, digital keypad, and say 867-54309 for a good time, or maybe a good mindset. Please use the rewind feature. Please menial and explicit for lyrically damage and merit. To coordinate a couple of hand-eye coordination, passion, doing some pointer on the actor, or pointer on the actor with their fingertips. But they leave a fingerprint, and that's another one of those good sleuth moves to come true. How cool do you know, that's the kind of PI come outside, it just gives it a packet, come through with the packet of chopped onion, the condiment packet to distract you. Said, look how easy the means of use for these appendages, opposable thumbs. That's a good time to have opening act. I was thinking we'll call them panty liners for George Floyd. Give me a little pump in the Jetsons squadron trail. So in case Air Force Ones are just always the smarter driver's shoe.